Good morning, class. My name is Badr, and today I will explain chemical reactions. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction happens when one or more chemicals are changed into one or more other chemicals. For example, iron and oxygen combining to make rust, vinegar and baking soda combining to make sodium acetate, carbon dioxide, and water. What is a chemical change? A chemical change is also known as a chemical reaction. It's a process in which one or more substances are altered into one or more new different substances. In other words, a chemical change is a chemical reaction involving the rearrangement of atoms. Physical or chemical change. We have two types of change in reaction, physical and chemical. Physical change only change the appearance of a substance. Chemical changes cause a substance to change into an entirely substance with a new chemical formula. Characteristics of chemical change. In a chemical change, we know it's chemical through different reactions. Change in temperature, changes in color, changes in odor, formation of precipitate, and lastly, release of bubbles. Physical properties. Here, physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter. Physical properties are also used to observe and describe matter. They include color, texture, solubility, density, state of matter, melting and boiling point. Chemical equations. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formulae, wherein the reactant entities are given on the left-hand side and the product entities are given on the right-hand side. Also, the first chemical equation was diagrammed by a guy called Jean in 1615. And here, as you can see, this is an example of a chemical equation. Chemical reactions can absorb or release energy and can be fast or slow. We have two different types of chemical reactions, exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic reactions transfer energy to the surroundings and the temperature of the surrounding increases. Endothermic reactions take in energy and the temperature of the surrounding decreases. Chemical reactions can be fast or slow. The rate of a chemical reaction can be speeded up or slowed down by changing the temperature. At higher temperatures, the rate of most chemical reactions increases, as well as low temperatures keep the reactions very slow. So, the lower the temperature, the slower the reaction. Law of conservation: matter is neither created or destroyed. We must have the same number and type of atoms after the chemical changes as were present. Always think of it as a balance and everything must be equal. We have 5 different types of reactions: synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion. We have decomposition, and it's a complex substance that breaks down into its simple form. And then we have single replacement, and it's a free uncombined element replaces another uncombined element in a compound. And it's when the reacting parts of two compounds switch places to form two new compounds. Thirdly, we have combustion, and it involves the combination of a substance with oxygen to give off heat and light. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed my video.